Time now for another trip to Pat Goss's garage. Let's see what first-rate car care advice Motor Week's Top Tech has for us this week.
John, this time we have a letter from Gordon Polk of Burlington, Ontario, Canada. He has a question about run-flat tires. He says, obviously, this is a great development and a convenient feature. On the other hand, it seems to me that the benefits are completely nullified if one is not aware that the tire has been punctured and is low on air. Well, that's absolutely true. That's why if you retrofit a car with run-flat tires, you have to install a pressure monitoring system. Uses these sensors that are strapped to the wheel and a monitor that goes inside the car so that if the pressure drops, you're warned. Now, one thing that is happening in this field, most of the OEMs, well, they come with these systems, and the sensors they're using now are mostly systems that replace the valve stem. Makes it a lot easier to change the tire than with the clamp-on version. But what about run-flat tires? What's the difference in them? How can they work? Well, the difference is here in the bead area and in the sidewall of the tire. Sidewall is a lot stiffer, a lot thicker. That way, if there's no air in the tire, it still maintains its shape, and the change in the bead helps keep it from coming off of the rim. Here we have a couple of nice, neat features. This is the Michelin PAX system. This uses a conventional type of sidewall with an insert in it, and the advantage to this is that it maintains ride quality where some of the others don't. It is a future item, and we'll be seeing it in the future on some luxury cars. This is the rod guard system. This is for things like emergency vehicles and armored cars and so on. This is an insert that goes into the tire, and it gives the ability to run it flat. This is not for the general public, though. Okay, a couple of other alternatives. Ride-on, this is a chemical that goes into the tire that seals punctures. Its biggest disadvantage is that it is very expensive. So what's one of the ultimates? Well, the Uniroyal nail guard tires. We have them on this Infiniti. We did some tests with them, and not a problem after running over nails. Now, the way it works is very simple. It has this material inside that is soft and sticky, and it instantly seals small punctures. You never have to worry about it. It's available in popular sizes for passenger cars and for sport utility vehicles. Now, if you have a question or a comment, write to me. If I use your letter, I'll send you a Motor Week t-shirt. The address is Motor Week, Owings Mills, Maryland, 21117.